Leo. This is a Leo Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Venus! January bonus reading for your personal reading. Kindly send me a direct message. Ano ba yan? Alright. Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading. Bonus reading for the month of January. Tingnan natin kung may nabago sa energy. I remember last time, may mga issues because of delayed manifestation sa money. Okay? And then, may mga complicated situation sa pag-ibig. Let's see. Same old cycle. Same old cycle. Walang masyadong nababago. Okay? So, napapagod ka ng like, gusto mo munang magpahinga, magbakasyon. Okay? Napapagod ka na sa same old cycle ng life mo. Okay? Pag ganito, syempre, we have to make different choices, different decision para magkaroon ng ibang outcome ang ating buhay-buhay. Okay? May inaabangan ka na like swerte na dumating, no? Or umikot ang wheel of fortune in your favor. Sabi nga is ang gulong ng buhay, minsan nasa taas, minsan nasa baba, minsan sa gana, minsan nagkakaroon ng kulang sa, So, kailangan kung meron ay mag-ipon-ipon then saving for the rainy days, okay? Leo, you're trying to walk away because of, may nabalitaan ka na isang mahalagang balita. May nabalitaan ka mahalagang balita. And you're walking away towards, sabi mo, sige, kung ano yung mga naging issues, move forward tayo sa happiness, okay? At parang, this is the energy of you're trying to balance again your emotions. Nagpapalakas ka, 100% ng lakas towards your goals again. Sabi mo, laban na ulit. Tama na yung bakasyon. Tama na yung pahinga. Laban na ulit. Okay? You feel tied sa certain situation ng buhay mo, pero this is like situation na iniwanan mo na, but energetically, you still feel tied. Dito, naaalala mo pa rin kung ano tong nangyari na to. But, what I can see here is like, minsan naaalala mo, but sabi mo, hindi. Moving forward. You cannot change what happened in the past. So, what you're looking forward is what's in it for you in the future, kung ano yung mga blessings sa'yo, at yung mga future connections na, makakatulong sa'yo dun sa binibuild mo na goals. May manifest ka, you tried to manifest or you manifested a stable connection in the past, but nag-lead lang siya sa disappointment and sadness. Nagkaroon ka ng wrong decision, but right now, you're trying to move away from anything disappointing and you're trying to heal this situation. Okay? Sabi mo, focus ka doon sa mga bagay that is important to you. There's a feminine energy here that that feels na etong relationship that the feminine had with the masculine is mahalaga. Mararo, no, Leo, there's an energy na parang nagkakaroon ka na ng doubts about this connection, kung gaano ba to katatag, kung gaano ba to ka long term. May mga nakita akong challenges here, and you're trying to do check and balance kung para sa'yo ba talaga tong connection na to. But it feels like the feminine, kumbaga yung mas nagdadala ng relationship yung feminine. Sabi niya gusto niyang balansihin. Okay? Nagkaroon naman ng like reconnection, nagkabati kayo, nagkaroon ng plano, and I feel may hard work sa situation na to para maging okay yung pagsasama. And kung meron kang mga binibuild na business, or like you're working on your promotion, nakikisama ka sa mga tao sa paligid mo, no? Collaboration. Let's see. The reason for the reading is like nagkaroon ng sabihin nating baggages or hindi magandang energy sa relationship na to, but you feel na very strong yung connection. Ano ba nangyari sa akin? Very strong yung connection mo with this person. And sabi mo, gusto mong magkaroon ng victory with this partner of yours. Okay? You might be dealing with Gemini, Aqua, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. Okay. But recent past, meron ka mga gustong i-manifest. I feel this is like late 2024, mga pangarap, mga goals, financial goals, relationship goals, na hindi yun yung nangyari. May disappointment, yes, but nakita ko kanina dun sa latag ng cards. Sabi mo, ilalaban mo ulit to. Okay? So, nagkaroon ka ng pagpaplano ulit kung paano mo makukuha yung gustong-gusto mong goal. Kumbaga, 2.0, ito yung continuation na parang kung nagkaroon ng blockage or delays last 2024, sabi mo 2025, kailangan mangyari na tong manifestation mo. Okay? So, meron ka pinagpe-pray, sabi mo ayaw mo na ng conflict, ayaw mo na ng drama. Kung ano man yung mga bagay na may mga you feel uncertain about, parang isa-set aside mo muna, ilalagay mo yung mga bagay, yung focus mo sa bagay where you feel na may stability, okay, at may growth. You have the energy, sabi mo ready ka naman to offer your love, effort sa mga bagay na mahalaga para sa'yo, especially sa isang past life connection, okay? This is a soul connection na medyo jaded ka na rin kung dapat ba talagang mag-reconnect pa or if ever ba nagkabalikan kayo, magiging successful ba ang relationship na to. Sabi ng person mo, parang hindi ready to commit yung person mo. Marami siyang ino-overthink and para sa kanya, mas mahalagang unahin muna ang finances at nakatali siya sa negosyo or trabaho right now, sa goals niya. Okay? So, if ever, Leo, if ever na you would try to knock on your person's door, ring on your bell, and then, sasabihin niya na parang hindi relationship ang priority niya right now. Okay? So, meron ka mga fear and doubt kung tama bang kausapin tong person na to or not. And I feel the feminine here is medyo sarado ang pinto ng puso. Okay? So, if you're trying to heal, okay, feminine, if you're trying to heal your emotions, to attract loving relationship, Madagascar Rose Quartz, okay? Lahat ng crystals natin, high quality, bless, cleanse, ritualize, paralyze, and guide, okay? To have mental clarity also, and amethyst, no? Mental clarity, that will be amethyst, and this also could help you to connect with the divine. Okay? Until the end of the first quarter, may mga overthinking energy dito. And also like stalking, watching your person sa social media, nakikibalita sa kaibigan. Because, sabi ng mga Leo, hindi rin niya alam kung anong pinaggagawa na ng person niya. I feel, no contact ba to? Or parang, someone is lumalayo. Masculine, if may mga plano kang sabihin doon sa feminine, doon sa person mo, just make sure na, nagfo-follow through, na kung ano yung sinasabi mo, pinapangako mo, is nakikita niya na nag-a-align sa actions. Kasi may nakita ako ng mga past disappointments because maraming naging promises ang masculine na hindi natupad. Okay? Someone is waiting for the masculine would be waiting for a reply and susubok na mag-message or mag-reconnect, and then makikiramdam yung masculine if magre-reciprocate yung feminine, but I don't feel na ready yung feminine for another another reconnection here. Kasi sabi ng feminine, mas magfo-focus muna siya sa mga bagay na mahalaga, studies niya or trabaho, negosyo. Okay? If you're manifesting abundance, happiness, and abundance, that would be the Brazilian citrine. Okay? Parating na yung mga blessed and freshly ritualized crystals natin this coming January 10. Okay? PM nyo lang ako for your crystals. Lahat to ay ritualized. And then, meron tayong existing naman na promo. I can send you the rates. And PM nyo ako. Remind ko lang ulit kayo, hindi po ako mag-PPM sa inyo. So, kung may mga tao na nag-PPM sa inyo, that would be like fake accounts. Ingat sa mga fake accounts. Okay? PM me for your personal reading at para sa inyong ritualized crystals.